Hello everyone. So today we are going to implement shooting down the helicopter with these RPGs, but let me speed up a little bit so the helicopter would come. Right, I will stay hidden here until it comes a bit closer, otherwise I will get hit and die. I did hit it, but I couldn't see that because of the dust. Let me show again. I got hit, but the helicopter also got hit. So let me show you this in a test map. It's easier to demonstrate without the chaos of the battlefield. Let me wait till it take off and shoot what? Oh, yeah, like that. Okay, so that's what we are going to work on today. So I have already implemented the RPG, so let me just put one in the ground and start from here and see how that's the explosion happened. It took 2 RPGs to destroy it. 1, okay, 2. Alright, so we need to shoot 2 RPGs to destroy the helicopter, but something what happened here, which is when I shoot one, it starts to move to the right, like in an unrealistic way. So actually why this happens is, in the helicopter I have crashing. I have this crashing variable. So when the helicopter gets some enough damage, I set this crashing true. So when I set crashing true, not in here, in the tick, yeah, in the tick, if crashing is true, I do this, I turns it with the -1 input, so that's why the helicopter keep rotating, and add a movement input and just do this rotation. So the reason I do that is, in the air, when the helicopter is in air, if I do the shooting, it looks good, and when the helicopter is crashing, it also moves down with this -1 movement input. So when it moves down, once it collides with the ground, that means here we have this ground detection. If it is crashing, it will explode. But in this particular case, it looks bad because it's not in the ground. It's not taken off yet. So we should wait until it take off. And yeah, Still it didn't explode when it hit with the ground, so something must be off with the ground detector. Let's check what it is. So it's overlapping only with the bullet trace. Alright, so this flow collision preset default. Oh, so this is trace response. For it's not overlapping with any of the objects, so that's why it's not working. But the reason I had to make it custom and ignore everything and overlap with only the bullet trace, the reason I did that was because it was detecting these triggers that I used to control the helicopter behavior as ground. So this is one of the triggers we have here in our test level. So if I open up and this trigger start, we have it only does not overlap with the bullet trace, so everything else is overlapping. So that's the problem I had. So now that I understand what I had done is wrong, so what I can do is we can make this trigger. Let me select both. First discard everything and only overlap with wait, no, let me undo that. So this object type is world dynamic. What if I change the helicopter to overlap with everything else but world dynamic? Okay, now if the helicopter can move through the trigger, it should be fine. Let me fast forward and see. So if that is not working, helicopter will get stuck over here. Oh, it's gone. Okay, so that means let's go back to the test level. Let's wait till it take off and one shot. Yeah, it works. Nice. And while I'm testing this, I noticed a bug in the RPG. As this. If I shoot an RPG to the sky, it goes far, and if I shoot again, see, two of them are spawned. Actually the one over there comes back. I think that's what happens. See, and it stays there. So something is wrong with the RPG. Let me see. So I have cleaned up the logic where I should emit the RPG grenade from the RPG a little bit. So that bug happens if I shoot another bullet before the previous RPG grenade. Before the previous RPG grenade is destroyed, if I shoot another grenade, this bug happens. So let me show that again. Okay, shoot. So to prevent that, I think if we create this move component logic inside the RPG grenade, because we already have a reference to that, that should be fine. So basically we need the same thing. So let me copy this into the RPG grenade blueprint, and let's create a custom event. So root component should work fine, or we can use root component. Get root component. Right. And the target, we need to queue that. Okay. And over time. So we calculate it from the starting point. Oh, we calculate that here. Alright. We can actually do the same calculation inside. Get tractor location and then get target location. Right. Alright, now shall we try using this function in place of this? So that means move to, no, just move. And the target is this one, so same. Right, let's test. Let's see if the shoot into a wall works. It does. Yeah, the bug is fixed. Okay, maybe we should not let them move infinitely, but that's fine. We only want to fix the bug for the moment. So yeah, now the RPG is working fine. Now let's go back to the original level and test shooting down the helicopter. So I'll place an RPG here so that player can come and pick it up like this. So player can run around the level and find RPGs. Let's speed this up. Right, helicopter is over there. Oh, I missed it. Didn't hit. Wait, what happened here again? Did that bug? Is it that bug again? Oh wait, so why did this spawn here? I think that is related to this. When we shoot to the sky, it keeps going for a long time. That is still a problem. So we can define like a maximum distance. So we can get the target, and instead of moving directly to that target, we can get direction from the actor location to the target location like this, and then multiply it by, let's convert to a float, let's say 20,000. So it would maximum take only 10 seconds, and add to the current location so that we can get the target. Let's test again to see if we get any odd behaviors. Let me shoot. Oh wait, why it's not going at all? What's wrong? Oh, hold on. I think it's moving very slowly. We have to use this distance. No, we have to use this value. Oh yeah, we have to use this. It's correct. Now it should work. Still not. Oh, sorry. Distance like this. Yeah. So in 10 seconds maximum, it's going to explode. Yeah. Wait for the helicopter. Okay. Oh, exploded. It didn't hit. Wait, why is this keep happening? I can't really think of a reason, but anyway, to make things a bit easier, let me reduce the intensity of the attacks for the helicopter a little bit, because I stand no chance with that. So let's increase the duration between a rocket at 3 seconds. 3 to 5 seconds. So I would have more chance of taking down the helicopter. And it is hard to take a shot like this. Did I miss it? Oh, I did hit the helicopter. Let's make it not hit any missiles. Right, I did hit it. See, it's exploded. Okay, finally. So I'm gonna stop this episode right here. Shall we do it again? Speed up. Here comes the chopper. Okay. I can't say that, but I hit the target. Alright, so thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And yes, of course, we need to do some balancing to support proper gameplay. But yeah, we will get there. So see you in another episode. Goodbye.